All right, so we are entering into the second testing section. So this was our first few weeks, and we took the test on last Thursday and Friday. And then we have our opening up of Chapter 3 today. So let's just keep this calendar in mind. Our next test is going to be October 25th and 26th, and that's our 2-day testing window. And so this is just a copy of the calendar. I wanted to make you guys aware of that. I also wanted to show you something on MyLabs Plus. But before we do that, let's click over here to the syllabus. And you can see the way that that your scores break down. Your homework is worth 25% of your grade. Your quizzes are worth 25% of your grade. And your proctored tests are worth 50% of your grade. Okay, so let's go over to MyLabs Plus, and I can show you how you can get this score. Okay, so when you go on your gradebook screen, okay, you're going to see a total overall percentage right here. You're going to see how many homework assignments you've done, how many quizzes you've taken, and how many tests you've taken. Now, this is my generic one, so understand that I haven't done anything. So yours is going to look very different than this because you're actually going to have numbers inside here and things along here. But if you click Show Calculation, then you're going to get this part right here. Okay. Now sometimes whenever you click into the gradebook, you're only going to see this list of all of your scores. All right. But if you click this right here where it says Show Overall Score, it will tell you what your percentage is, and then if you hit Show Calculation, that's when this is going to pop up. And these are weighted scores. All right, so if you're trying to keep track of where you are in the class and like the points that you've earned and things along those lines, this is where you can keep track of that. All right, now one more thing before I go, which is this. Your study guide 1 was due last Wednesday, the 19th. Your study guide 2 is due October 24th. Now here's something that I noticed on this study guide. I know that your chapter quizzes, I give you 3 chances to take your chapter quiz. But I have your study guides set for an unlimited number of attempts. You can take this study guide an unlimited amount of times. And what I noticed was that most of you guys took it 2 times or less. I think you should be taking it 3, 4, 5 times so that you can make sure that you know the material and how you're going to interact with it and improve your score. Remember that the MyLabs Plus system only records your highest score. So if you get a 90 the first time and an 85 the second time, it is going to count the 90. So I wanted to make you aware of that. So keep that in mind. Do these study guides when they come open. Start working on it right when it opens on the 16th. And keep doing it several times so that you can be as prepared as possible for your test. All right? As always, email me or call my office line if you have any questions. Have a good day.